At SchoginiToys, we enrich young minds. Introduce your child to our DIY digital dice and toss activities kit. A fun and educational experience for young creators. The kit comes with all the required parts your child needs to complete the projects. Imagine the pride and excitement in your child's eyes when their projects comes to life. Encourage their creativity, ignite their passion for learning, and create lasting memories with SchoginiToys. This DIY kit comes with an amazing assembly guide that is incredibly easy to follow. The guide includes color picture-based illustrations to bring clarity to the process. With its spiral-bound manual, flipping through pages becomes effortless. The step-by-step assembly guide ensures that every activity is a success.